Right, let's have a go at question 10 then. We've got a rectangular sheet of metal. It's 8 meters by 5 meters. We'll have a look at it in a moment. 4 squares of each of side x. X needs to be less than 2.5 have been cut away from the corners of the sheet, as shown in the diagram below. The rest of the metal sheet is now bent along the dotted lines to form an open tank in the form of a cuboid. So let's go down. Look at the picture. Here's the picture here, so you can see it's going to be folded up, sealed along here. So you're going to get a rectangular box, aren't you? There. This is going to be the height. This is going to be the width and the length. Yeah? Okay, that doesn't seem too bad. And it now says, show that the volume V of this tank is given by this expression here. So I've written down the question. And we want to find out V and show that it was equal to what was said in the question. So let's have a go at this then. We know I'm going to do a different color. I'm going to go across here, like it said, and we need to work out that distance for the volume, and that distance, don't we? Because it's the length times breadth times height for the volume. Down here. So this distance here, well, we've got an x and an x. Take away them from 8. So it's 8 less 2x. And this distance here, the total distance is 5. You take off 2x's, you get 5 minus 2x. Now it said that x was less than 2.5 by virtue of the fact that if it was bigger than 2.5 it wouldn't make any sense because this total distance is only 5. So bear that in mind then. So here then, so V equals 8 minus 2x, the length, times the breadth, 5 minus 2x, times the height. And the height, when you fold it up, will be x. So we've just got a simple quadratic to expand. 40. 8 5s are 40. 8 minus 2 is a minus 16 lots of x. Minus 2 times 5 is minus 10 lots of x, isn't it? Then minus times minus is a plus. 4 lots of x squared, because that's 2x times 2x. And all of that quadratic needs to be multiplied by x. So there's still an x to multiply through. So what do we get then? V equals 40x. Yep, okay, 40x. Minus 16 minus 10x is minus 26x times another x is minus 26x cubed. 4x squared, the last term, times x is plus 4x cubed, isn't it? So V equals then 4x cubed minus the 26x. Why have I put a squared? That's a squared. A bit bizarre. For some reason I wrote 3. And I'm not going to go back and look. I'll just put a squared there, so it's x squared plus the 40x. There we go. I think everything's okay. So that's the volume then. Let's just check in our question because I didn't write it down. 4x, yeah, that's fine. Good, that's part A done then.